Create a crop in and out animation like Ali Abdaal in Premiere Pro. First, we need to create the background. Drag the video to the second track and hide the track for now. Create a new color matte with default settings, drag it to track 1, and adjust its duration. In the Effects panel, search for 4-color gradient, and drag it into the color matte. Select the color matte, select each of these 4 colors, and just choose a lighter color. Now we have a nice background. Unhide the video track. Search for crop and add it to the video. Also, search for drop shadow and add it to the video as well. Search for roughen edges and drag it into your video. For now, set video scale to 80 to see what's happening. Under drop shadow, set opacity to 100, direction to 180, distance to 10, and softness to 100 to have a nice shadow. Drag the roughen edges effect above the drop shadow. Now to round the corners of the video, under roughen edges, set border to 80, edge sharpness to 10, and fractal influence to 0. Now set the scale to 105 so we don't see any of the rounded edges in the corners. Move the playhead to the start and click on stopwatch next to crop left, top, right, and bottom to create 4 starting keyframes. Hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key twice to go forward 10 frames. Set crop left and right to 35 and set crop top and bottom to 5. Now we have this nice crop effect. Move the playhead to the position you want to start uncropping the video, and click on the 4 circles to create keyframes with the current values. Go forward 10 frames and click on the 4 reset buttons. Select all the keyframes, right-click on one of them, and add ease in and ease out to them to smoothen the animation. And now we have it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.